Hi, I'm Dr. Sujita, pediatrician from Devdas Hospital, Madurai. Today I'm going to talk about the most common problem in newborn, which is low birth weight. What are the problems of low birth weight baby and how to prevent this low birth weight baby? We'll see in this session. When we call it as low birth weight, normally the newborn's birth weight must be around 2.5 to 4 kgs. When the birth weight is less than 2.5 kg, we call it as low birth weight. When the weight is less than 1.5 kg, we call it as very low birth weight. When the weight is less than 1 kg, we'll call it as extremely low birth weight babies. These low birth weight babies can either be a preterm, that is when they are born before 37 weeks, or they can be a term but their weight is low. Here we call it as small for gestational age babies. What are the causes for low birth weight? The most common cause is preterm labor, that is when the baby is born before 37 weeks. And another common cause for low birth weight baby is maternal malnutrition. When the mother is not taking adequate nutritious food during pregnancy and the mother is not gaining adequate weight at least 12 to 16 kgs during her pregnancy, there is more chance for low birth weight babies. When the mother suffers from any infections, especially urinary tract infection, when the mother has any anemia, chronic kidney disease or any heart problem, there is an increased chance for low birth weight babies. Another common cause is that any congenital malformation in the babies or any fetal anomaly or any anomaly in the uterus can also cause low birth weight baby. And teenage pregnancies, especially when the mother's age is less than 17 years, and elderly pregnancy when the mother's age is more than 35 years, there is an increased chance for low birth weight baby. And the interval between two pregnancies should be at least 2 years. When there is a multiple birth, twins or more, and mother has smoking, alcohol can also affect the weight. What are the common problems of low birth weight babies? The most common problem is that hypothermia, that is the baby can't maintain their body temperature. There will be a low body temperature because these babies have some difficulty to adjust to this environment. And the another main problem is that breathing difficulty. The lungs will be immature in this low birth weight and preterm babies. So these baby might require oxygen. In some cases the baby might require surfactant also. This baby has to be admitted in the NICU. These babies are more prone for jaundice, which can be treated with phototherapy. The phototherapy is nothing but will keep the baby in a blue light to reduce their bilirubin levels. And the baby has some difficulty in swallowing and digestion. And these baby can more prone for anemia and their blood sugar and calcium level can also decrease, which can lead to seizure also. These babies are more prone for infections, and there is a more common heart problem especially in low birth weight and preterm babies are patent ductus arteriosus, which is nothing but there will be a connection between the left side of the heart and right side of the heart during the fetal life, but after the baby is born this connection should be closed. But in some cases there might be some delay in the closure of this connection. If the delay is more than 1 month, then we have to close it either by medications or by surgery. How to take care of these low birth weight babies? Hypothermia. How to prevent this hypothermia? How to control this low body temperature in the newborn baby? We have to cover the baby completely, especially the head should be covered with a cap and the baby should be covered with the gloves and socks. Check for the palms and soles of the baby whether it is pink in color. If it is pink in color, then the baby is normal. If it is blue in color, then the baby's temperature is low. The another common technique for low birth weight babies to reduce hypothermia is kangaroo mother care, what we call it as KMC, which is nothing but the skin to skin contact between the mother and baby to promote the warmth. In this technique, the baby should be placed between the mother's breast. The baby should wear a cap, gloves, socks and diaper, and the baby should be kept in a semi-reclined position. The baby should be kept in the position with the head turned towards one side so that the baby can breathe properly and the baby's back should be supported. The mother can either lie down or with a pillow or can sit in a chair in a semi-reclining position. This position should be maintained at least 1 hour a day and which can be even kept for 24 hours also. This promotes not only the bonding between the mother and baby, it also promotes breastfeeding, it promotes the growth and development of the baby. This kangaroo mother care is not only provided by the mother, even a father and the relatives can also provide this kangaroo mother care. And when we can bath these low birth weight babies, till the baby's weight is 2.5 kgs, avoid bathing. You can just wipe the baby alone and avoid vigorous oil massage the babies. You can use either a coconut oil or an olive oil for massaging the babies. Nutrition. The breast milk provides all nutrition for the low birth weight babies. It provides not only nutrition, it has an antibodies which protects the baby from the infections. So the baby is born less than 34 weeks. You can either express the breast milk and can give through a palade or a spoon. If the baby is born more than 34 weeks, then they can be able to suck and swallow. So you can directly give the direct breastfeed every 2 hours once. Normally the baby's weight birth weight will be 7 to 10% of the baby weight might lose during the first 7 to 10 days and they might be regaining their weight around 10 to 14 days. After that, the baby weight should be around 15 to 20 grams per kg per day. How to prevent infection in the low birth weight babies? Hand hygiene is more important. Before handling the baby, you would wash the hand with either a hand wash or sanitizers, and exclusive breastfeeding till 6 months can prevent the infections in newborns, and avoid overcrowded places at least for 3 months, and minimal handling can be given to the babies, and immunization can protect the baby from infections. All birth vaccines can be given except hepatitis B can't be given till the baby's weight is more than 2 kgs. If the baby's weight is less than 2 kgs, we can postpone only hepatitis B vaccinations. What are the danger signs to be looked for and when you should bring it to the notice of the doctor? When the baby is not taking the feeding properly and baby has any breathing difficulties and baby has any inconsolable crying excessively even after feeding and changing the diaper, and baby is very dull, lethargic, not responding or not smiling properly, and baby has any abnormal movement, eye movement or hand movement, or abdomen is fully distended, and there is any fever, then you have to bring it to the notice of the doctor immediately. How to prevent low birth weight? The maternal malnutrition can be prevented by giving an adequate nutritious diet to the mother during the pregnancies. The mother should take a proper nutritious diet during the pregnancies. The mother should at least gain around 12 to 16 kgs during the pregnancy. The mother can take around 300 extra calories during her pregnancies. And taking iron and folic acid tablets before conception itself, and avoid smoking and alcohol. These can prevent the low birth weight babies.